In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money on Venmo using a debit card. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Venmo like you normally would. Then please go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says me. It is then going to bring you to the Venmo homepage and it is going to look something like this. Now, what you want to do is you want to look until you see balance. So at the moment, we currently have this balance over here, and you'll notice that there's going to be a button that says add money. And you want to go ahead and press on it just like so. You're then going to see a bunch of options that look like this, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on from, bank, or debit card right over here. So please go ahead and select on it. Afterwards, what you want to do is you want to select on the payment method. So if you already have a debit card connected to your Venmo account, then you could use that in order to fund your Venmo account. However, if you don't have it linked, then all you want to do is you want to press over here. And then afterwards in the bottom, there's going to be an option that says add a debit card or a bank account, and you want to select on it. Then afterwards, you're able to select on debit card. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and enter in your card number, your expiration date, security code, and your zip code. And you guys also have the option to turn on use for app purchases. So again, that is something that you can keep in mind, and that is up to you. But from there, you're able to go ahead and add your debit card onto Venmo. You may need to do some quick verification, so please be ready to do that. But anyways, once you have your debit card linked, then you're able to type in the specific amount you want to add to your Venmo account. Press on next. You're then going to need to confirm the transaction, and then afterward, you're going to be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.